This is the second installment of my 99 proof, 99 brand drink making series. And I got the one I wanted, y'all, but I could not open it. So I had to pick again, and I got the one I absolutely did not want. And guess what? It opened right on up. Isn't that funny? It's not. Anyway, I tasted it. Tasted like Laffy Taffy. Didn't like it, but that's okay. It honestly stumped me for a second, but I ended up doing some of the banana liqueur along with some 43 liquor with a little bit of chocolate rum, walnut bitters, and then I topped that off with some almond milk, and then I added honey. But next time I will, say it with me, make honey simple, because I ended up with this honey ball that gave me trouble. Anyway, I added a little toasted caramel to the bottom and did that thing I saw on the internet to make the cup look cool. It looked all right. Okay, a little drippage. Filled her on up, and I decided to top it off with more honey for decorations. And this is how it turned out. I achieved what I was going for, but I wish it was better. It tastes like that popsicle, like the orange cream, but banana. It's like not overly sweet. I feel like if I would have used frozen almond milk, that this would have been better. That's what I would do differently. It's honestly not bad. I know I always say that, but it really isn't.